Hello everybody, how's it going? Today we have problem number 14. Write a program that takes a number and prints the following descending letter pattern. Exactly like the previous problem, but descending this time, okay? And letter also. For example, if the user inputs 5, the output should be EEEEE, BBB. So let's go to Visual Studio to see how we wrote this code of this problem or how we convert this requirement into code. Let's go to Visual Studio, please. Alright, this is our solution of problem number 14. Write a program that takes a number and prints the following descending letter pattern. This time you want to print the letters in descending pattern. Alright, let's do run to see how the program looks like. Perfect. Once we did run the command display for us this question, please insert a number. Let's say number 5. EEDDCCBB as you saw it on the slides a minute ago. So what we have, get positive number, our family member function, all right, and after that we have the same procedure from the previous lesson, but we change its name from print ascending letter pattern to descending letter pattern, and it takes the value from previous function. Let's check it together. Perfect. Once we open it, we have /n new line integer I equal value. We start from the value from the number that the user inserted. For example, number 5 it will store inside I variable, okay, and we add this line of code. Car letter equal a, same exactly like the previous lesson, but we write next to it plus value minus 1. Plus value minus 1, I want it as a homework for you to go by yourself to search what it's mean exactly, because I didn't give you homework since I started these lessons. I would like to give you this plus value minus 1 as a homework to go to Google it, ask ChatGPT or any AI tool, but also I'll explain to you slightly and light in this lesson. Plus value minus 1, we let the compiler move forward 5 steps. For example, car letter equal a, we take character a, we assign it to letter variable, right? Plus value stored inside number 5. When we say plus value, the compiler move 5 steps. But we don't want the compiler move 5 steps because it will print for us f, because a already in position number 1. Let's assume that a in position number 1, or there is no positions, but let's assume that a in position number 1 and you add 5. So you will let the compiler start from position number 6, which is F, to represent, for example, letter F. But we want the compiler print starting from E, because if the user insert number 5, which means E, D, C, B, A. We have 5 numbers, represent 5 letters or 5 characters. So when we say A plus 5, now we have 6 positions. Minus 1, we have what? 5 positions, or we let the compiler start from correct letter or from the correct character and print it for us. So character letter equal a, if you don't understand it, plus value minus 1, go Google it, search about it, and even write for me in the comments under this video down below that you understand it or what it's mean exactly. And after that we have nested while loop statement like the previous one. I greater than or equal 1, greater than. When we have it descending, always we start with greater with the first condition of the while statement. I greater than or equal 1. I represent number what? Number 5, because we take its value from value variable. Yes, it's greater than 1, it's bigger than 1. Go inside it and we'll face the second while statement. J less than or equal I. J represent number 1. Here we say J equal 1, which means 1 less than or equal 5. I is represent number 5 because, as we said, now it takes its value from variable value. Yes, 1 less than 5. Go print please for us C out less than letter. Print for us E. Why print for us E? Because we say here A plus value minus 1. We let the compiler start from the last number, from the last character. So the compiler here will print for us E for 5 times because J is still 1 and J plus plus J to represent 2. We will compare it again with J less than or equal 5. It will be true for second time. The compiler will get back again inside the inner while loop and print the letter for the second time, which is still remain letter E or character E. So the compiler print for us E for 5 times and go out of this inner while loop and do /n letter minus minus. When we say letter minus minus, the compiler move from letter E to D. And also I minus minus, the compiler move from 5 to 4. And get back again to the first while loop. 4 greater than 1 is true. Go inside the first while loop and execute the same line of code until these while statement conditions become false. The compiler exit this procedure, and here the main function is same like the previous problems. Print descending letter pattern. We put inside its parameters get positive number. Let's do run for the last time. Perfect. Please insert a number. Let's say number 3, CCBBA. Perfect. That was the problem today. Problem number 40. Write a program that takes a number and prints the following descending letter pattern. If you don't understand this line of code inside this procedure that's called print descending letter pattern, if you don't understand this line of code, char letter equal a plus value minus 1, go Google it, ask any AI tool. If you don't understand it at all, reach me on Telegram channel. I'll try to help you and explain to you more better. So next lesson, next problem.